Hello, today I have blessed help from La Cocina de la Abuela.
To help me prepare the food, and
Also,
he's going to make chicken in two.
side dishes quickly and eat it in
That kitchen.
In the air fryer, in half an hour, we're eating.
Don't miss it. He knows a lot of tricks.
What he's preparing for us is half a chicken, and here, as you can see, I just added salt to taste, and it's better if it's coarse salt. Once you have it, we take half a cup of good oil, whichever you have on hand and like, and a splash of soy sauce, at least a tablespoon. As you can see, you mix it quickly, and then in a large container, we're going to pour that mixture. There it is. What is it going to add? A salty and fresh touch at the same time, and we're going to add paprika. As always, to taste. I like it generous, and so does my brother. We add rosemary, which always gives that really nice aromatic touch, and a splash of white wine, although any liquor would work. We mix this well and let it marinate. You can do it the day before and leave it overnight so it absorbs even more flavor. But always keep it covered and in a cool place. For example, the fridge or refrigerator. On the other hand, look at how he prepares potatoes for me. He's going to make wedges. As you can see, 3 or 4 large potatoes cut into wedges, like the ones from McDonald's. We cut them in this style, and once we have them, what we'll do is add flavor to them. We put them in a large bowl, along with finely chopped parsley, a bit of oregano, which we also have in this little jar, and we're going to add it. A splash of lemon juice to freshen it up a bit, and we're going to add oil, which is essential, a good splash. As always, a bit of coarse salt, and then mix everything so it spreads well and all the potatoes get coated with the ingredients. We're also going to prepare asparagus. So I have 10 green asparagus spears and we cut off the tough part. There we go. 10 or 12 will be enough for a couple of servings. Salt to taste, a drizzle of oil, and this other little dish is ready. 2 side dishes in one recipe, since he's using this machine that lets you do multiple things at once. If not, in your oven or your air fryer, convection oven, and you're good to go. We put the chicken inside. There it is. And we're going to leave it for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees, as you can see here. In this particular machine, in the basket at the bottom, once it starts to brown, after about half the time has passed, we flip it over and put it back in. Of course, you have to highlight what's important. And as we just talked about, the fries go in. In this case, we're going to do it on the top part. Remember, first we brown one side and then the other. 15 minutes on each side, or 10 and 20, whichever you prefer. Once most of the time has passed, we'll take the asparagus and place them on the rack that comes with the machine. It's great because you can cook vegetables that cook quickly, right above the main dish you're making, saving time and also energy. Since I'm standing in front of the machine, I'll also give the potatoes a few turns, making sure they get evenly golden. Once the time is up, look at that. Potatoes are ready, asparagus is done, and the chicken is golden right underneath. All that's left is to plate this true marvel and start enjoying it. See how simple it is. Place the chicken on a tray, well in the center, the potatoes on one side, the asparagus on the other. And grab the tray because it's time to head to the table and enjoy. I'm sure at home they'll be amazed by this incredible dish. Don't tell me you don't feel like digging in. And as you saw, it's prepared in a really simple way. A regular oven really gives you a lot of options, but with the air fryer, you can do exactly the same and prepare 3 dishes in no time. Makes you want to start enjoying right away.
Well, it's ready now. I'm already giving in.
I'm really hungry. You can't imagine.
It's already 1 o'clock.
Well, it's our turn to bring something nice to drink and enjoy. I hope you like the recipe and the visit. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'll be paying attention to everything. And, wherever you want.
To La Cocina de la Abuela, don't miss it. There are thousands of recipes.